Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving a beautiful introduction. Thank you, Chairman sir, Director sir, and all my, colleagues on the stage. Venkateswar sir, thank you for putting up the energy. A lot of new thoughts what you have given to the people. So I think just to give brief introduction, what ma'am has given, I'm basically from Kanpur. Did my engineering from HBTI Kanpur, so I'm glad to see all the people who are, especially the wonderful future leaders, the students. You guys are doing MBA, right? Everybody is doing MBA, great. Heads up to all of you because what you are going to do, I could not do. मुझसे I hope Hindi English both okay? Yeah, so मुझसे बीटेक ही बड़ी मुश्किल में हुई थी, MBA कर ही नहीं पाया कभी. So I think glad to see all the great future leaders who are sitting over there. Great ambience, and I think feeling privileged to be part of this event. I think the topic what we are talking about, the growth and innovation, and I think getting more into the future perspective. I think the mindset is something what I would like to touch upon in this entire event. Growth mindset is a very, very specific mindset. So if you see that, I've seen people, they build that growth mindset, especially when they move, from so-called the tier 2, tier 3 town to so-called the metro cities. When you go back to your, hometown, like tier 2 towns from where we belong to, you see people are more chill, more cool, more peaceful. They don't have any problem in their life, relaxing, right? They are more peaceful, they are more happy, right? The moment you come back to the metro cities like Delhi, NCR, go to Bangalore, go to Mumbai, and people are like into their rat race, running around here and there. They are building the growth mindset. So one of the things what I want all of you to start learning, keep going back to your hometown. Learn the happiness and peace from there. Keep coming back to these metro towns. Learn the growth mindset. A person who is having a growth mindset and at the same time keeping their happiness and peace is actually the winner. This is very difficult model. Trust me, I can tell, and all the people who are sitting on the front row and people here. I don't know whether you have seen or not. Have you ever seen people when they grow they stop laughing? Have you seen that? People don't laugh when they grow. Right? You go to the corporate world, you see all these big general managers, vice presidents, CEOs. You go to the colleges, with due respect, all these big, the professors and everybody. मुझे पता नहीं क्या लगता है कि जितनी आदमी की डेजिग्नेशन जितनी बड़ी होती है, उसका चेहरा उतना ही मनहूस होना लगता है. Have you seen that? Right? You go to the CXO's cabin, oh God, always in angry mode. पता नहीं घर पे लड़ाई होती है, बाहर लड़ाई होती है, पता नहीं क्या होता है, but always in anger zone. You just give them the trick and they'll like always on angry zone. Right? These people are growing people, right? The growth people. So more on a, in a very simplistic way, if I have to tell, the category of the people. So this is called basically human charger matrix, what I have designed based on growth versus happiness. So everybody in your mind, just create this matrix. So you have an x-axis, you have a y-axis, and you have 4 quadrants, right? Everybody agree? So put that growth versus happiness. A category people, growing but not happy. You will see a lot of these people, all these big people, big designations, financially very strong people. But they are not happy people, yeah, trust me. These are the people, so I keep doing a lot of leadership program as my passion. One of the pharma company I went for this leadership coaching program, I was talking about the leadership. So all these, around 15, 20, those CXO level people, all those HODs were there. I started my own style. It was more like a stand-up, putting them in about the leadership. I cracked a joke. Nobody laughed. Then I had to literally tell them, sir, joke tha. Still they were not laughing. They were like, acha joke tha. Hasna bhi tha. Then I had to ask all of them, when was the last time you had laughter? तो आगे एक चीफ मार्केटिंग ऑफिसर थे, मोटे से बिल्कुल, बड़ी सी आवाज़ में बोले, लाफ्टर का मतलब क्या होता है? मैंने कहा सर, लाफ्टर का मतलब होता है गाल में दर्द होना, पेट में दर्द होना, ज़मीन में गुलाटी खा करके लास्ट टाइम कब हंसे थे? कहते बहुत साल हो गए. कोई 15 साल बता रहा है, कोई 20 साल बता रहा है. तो मैंने कहा क्यों नहीं हंसते? क्यों नहीं लाफ्टर करते? कहते शोभा नहीं देता। बाय द वे, मजाक मजाक में मैंने उनको ये भी बोल दिया था कि ये बीच में शोभा आंटी को लेकर के क्यों आ रहे हो? जोक्स अपार्ट, मैंने उनको शोभा क्यों नहीं देता? कहते अब हम उस डेजिग्नेशन पे आ गए हैं, अब हम उस ओहदे पे आ गए हैं, हम उस स्टेटस पे आ गए हैं कि हमको ऐसे लाफ्टर करना शोभा नहीं देता। इन सब को मैंने एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत तरीके से एक चीज़ सिखानी चाहिए। अच्छा, बाय द वे, वन ऑफ द पर्सन व्हेन आई आस्क्ड हिम व्हेन वाज द लास्ट टाइम यू लाफ्ड, ही सेड इन अ वेरी जोकिंग वे, लास्ट टाइम तो तभी हंसे थे जब शादी हुई थी। You know, all the people who are married can relate that. Now the message what I want all of you, especially all the future leaders, please, please, please maintain your happiness, especially when you are growing. Please. People around you will do everything to keep you unhappy. They will trap you to become an unhappy person, get into the rat race model. इन सबको, इन सारे लीडर्स को एक मैसेज दिया गया कि हम सब की लाइफ में हंसी का एक कोटा है, इस कोटा को हमको पूरा करना है। अभी हंस लो, नहीं तो बुढ़ापे में पार्क में पाए जाओगे हाथ ऊपर उठा उठा के जोर जोर से हंसते हुए। कीप क्लैपिंग गाइस, यू विल पुट सम एनर्जी इन द रूम। थैंक यू, थैंक यू। So you see all these people who are growing but they are not able to maintain their happiness and peace when you grow. And trust me, I'm not, scaring you, but just start all the people who are sitting over here, who are doing their MBA. Just go back to your school days, just go back to your, childhood days. Were you more happy at that time rather than today? Agree? You're not that happy today. You're in college. People sitting over there, can I ask all of you, you were more happy when you were in college? Agree? Everybody's agree. The most scary thing is that so? जैसे जैसे उम्र बढ़ती है क्या हैप्पीनेस दूर चली जाती है? Big question. Need to understand. Need to get realization. Just what to do now? What to do now? We have to have some kind of thought clarity. So सबसे पहली चीज़ जो हमें समझनी है, जो सोसाइटी हमको थोड़ा सा गलत सिखा रही है, वो कहती है हंसो मत, इसको मैच्योरिटी बोलते हैं। सीरियस रहा करो, गंभीर रहा करो, राइट? Get serious into the job, get serious into your task. In my life, I have never been a serious guy. And what I have achieved, I have got 18 promotions as a GET to CEO. 18 promotions. There are 4 times when my salary got doubled in the same organization. There are 3 times in my life where I have got double promotions. I have got 116 awards in India, Singapore, and London. I have done 8 times TEDx talk. I have given more than 500 sessions in colleges and corporate by doing my job. It's only Saturday, Sunday. Non-commercial, only charity, giving it back to the society. Few of the things what I have learned from my experiences, never ever get serious in life. I have seen in corporate world, there are a lot of people who work very seriously in front of the laptop. उनको पूछो क्या कर रहे हो, सर डिस्टर्ब मत करिए, बहुत सीरियसली काम कर रहा हूँ, और मुझे पता होता है कि वो कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं। Never ever get serious in life. Be sincere in life. Sincerity is more important than being serious. People who show that they are serious, they are not doing anything. They are just, telling you, showing you, and it's more like an optics. When you are sincere, you do all the tasks with your left hand. हर काम आपके बाएं हाथ का कमाल है। ये काम आया, चलो कर देते हैं, ये काम आया, ये भी कर देते हैं, ये काम आया, ये भी कर देते हैं। So ज़रूरत नहीं है, I keep telling in my corporate world very simple thing कि घर पे माँ खाना बनाती थी, घर पे जब माँ खाना बनाती थी, सारे काम घर के हो जाते थे, चू तक नहीं होती थी। With due respect, आज बीवी खाना बनाती नहीं है, बाई आती है, कपड़े धोने वाली भी आती है, बर्तन वाले भी आती है, बट सैटरडे संडे जिस दिन आप पूरे घर में रहोगे तो घर में क्या क्या समस्याएं चल रही हैं आपको सब पता चल जाती हैं। सो अगर आपको कॉर्पोरेट में काम करने की आर्ट सीखनी है तो माँ की तरह खाना बनाना सीख लीजिए, बिना बोले, बिना चिल्लाए, बिना डिस्कस किए। And when you keep growing, what the model we were talking about, the A category people who are so-called growing but not happy, तो उनके लिए हमेशा एक शेर याद रखना कि बचपन की हंसी बड़े होते होते पता नहीं कहाँ लुप्त हो गई। बचपन की हंसी बड़े होते होते पता नहीं कहाँ लुप्त हो गई। न जाने कौन है कमबख्त वो लोग जो कहते हैं कि हम मैच्योर हो गए। Not smiling, not laughing, not having a peaceful mind is not maturity. It's a myth. Showing yourself too much serious about everything is not maturity. You are trapped into so-called the model of negative mindset. Very less people will keep telling you. So A category, growing but not happy. Now let's come to the B category. Happy, peaceful, but not growing. You go to the corporate world, you see a lot of people, amazing people, amazing people. They are not innovative people. They are not creative people. They are just come to the office and do their work. जो इनको बोल दो वही करते हैं, कुछ नहीं बोलो तो कुछ नहीं करते हैं. They are happy, peaceful, but not growing. इनके growth mindset ही नहीं, इनको जरा फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता. They work on two simple fundamental principles. The first principle is called 2 punch 1 lunch. They come in the morning, पंच करते हैं, दोपहर को बढ़िया वाला लंच करते हैं, शाम को बढ़िया वाला फिर पंच करते हैं, बहुत भाग के गाड़ी चला करके घर जाते हैं जैसे उनको घर जा करके कोई बहुत बड़ा इनोवेटिव काम करना हो. कुछ नहीं करते हैं, टीवी खोलते हैं, सोफे में बैठते हैं, घर घर की कहानी, छज्जे छज्जे का प्यार, भाभी जी घर पे हैं, ऐसे सीरियल देखते हैं. अमेजिंग पीपल. And second fundamental philosophy they work is called Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram, जितना पैसा उतना काम. इनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता इनकी ग्रोथ हो रही नहीं हो रही, क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा. बड़ा मतलब इनको बोलो कुछ काम करना, हाँ सब कर देंगे, काम करेंगे काम करेंगे. So these are B category people, somehow happy, somehow peaceful, very chill, but at the same time they don't have growth mindset. So they have killed their growth mindset. A category growing, B category. A category growing but not happy. B category happy but not growing. Come to the C category. These are the people who are neither growing nor happy. गजब के लोग होते हैं भाई साहब. I don't know how many of you can relate to these people. मुझे पता है सबके दिमाग में इस समय कोई ना कोई एक या दो शख्स आ रहा है. आ रहा है तो एक बार ताली बजा करके मुझे बताओ कि आ रहा है. थैंक यू. द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ सी कैटेगरी पीपल बहुत ही जबरदस्त माइंडसेट के लोग हैं. इन लोगों के अंदर एक बहुत खूबसूरत आर्ट जो होती है, दे फाइंड प्रॉब्लम इन एवरी सॉल्यूशन. आप इनसे कुछ भी बोलो उसके अंदर वो आपको प्रॉब्लम बता देंगे. दीज आर द पीपल हु आर आइदर प्रॉब्लम क्रिएटर और प्रॉब्लम सपोर्टर और प्रॉब्लम एस्केलेटर्स. इनको बड़ा मजा आता है सिर्फ प्रॉब्लम की बातें करते रहो इनसे. आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू फ्रॉम यूपी और कानपुर टिपिकली हिंदी में बोलते हैं परपंच. दीज आर द पीपल हु विल हैव प्रॉब्लम विद यू बट दे विल नॉट टेल द प्रॉब्लम विद यू, बट रेस्ट ऑफ द पीपल दे विल टेल दैट आई हैव अ प्रॉब्लम विद दिस पर्सन. वो आपको नहीं बताएंगे पर वो दुनिया को बताएंगे कि आपसे उनकी क्या प्रॉब्लम है. घर जा जाके दरवाजा खटखटा खटखटा के घर के पड़ोसियों को जा जाके आपसे प्रॉब्लम बैठ बैठ के एक एक घंटे बताएंगे, बट जब आपसे मिलेंगे हाँ भैया सब बढ़िया, आपको पता भी नहीं लगने देंगे कि उनके दिल में क्या है. अमेजिंग पीपल. दीज आर द पीपल whom you will find they are neither growing nor happy. They have problem with everything. They have problem in college, they have a problem in corporate, they have the problem with salary, they have a problem with the canteen, खाना बनता है उसमें नमक कम होता है. They have a problem with everything. उनसे कुछ भी कर लो. तो कॉर्पोरेट में हम लोगों ने इनका नाम दिया, इनको हम बोलते हैं रोतुड़ू सिंह, क्राइंग बेबीज. कुछ ऐसे लोग जो हमेशा दुखी रहते हैं. These people are suffering from all type of problems. OCDs है इनको, FOMO है इनको, MTS है इनको सब कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. The best way they see the things which is not happening. इनको क्या हो रहा है वो दिखता ही नहीं है, इनको सिर्फ वही दिखता है जो नहीं हो रहा. They have a beautiful eyes, you know. बहुत खूबसूरत आंखें इनको आप कुछ भी दे दो ये आपको उसमें कमी निकाल करके दे देंगे. This model I just want to tell you, this model is called MTS. It's called missing tile syndrome. It's a very powerful psychological disorder people have. So there is a guy long back, he created a very beautiful swimming pool. In that swimming pool, he was supposed to put 1,000 number of tiles. He has, by not mistake, intentionally, he has missed one tile. उसने 999 टाइल्स को बहुत परफेक्ट तरीके से बनाया, एक बहुत ही लग्जरियस स्विमिंग पूल बनाया. बुलाने के बाद उसने ओपनिंग सेरेमनी करी, उस सारे लोगों को बुलाया, सबने देखा, फिर बोला कि फीडबैक दीजिए. सबने केवल एक ही फीडबैक दिया कि बहुत बढ़िया स्विमिंग पूल है, लेकिन एक टाइल मिसिंग है. He created this concept that human mind is intent to get trained to see what's not happening versus what's happening. किसी ने उसकी 999 टाइल्स को नहीं देखा, वो एक मिसिंग टाइल जो थी उसको सबने देखा. That's how people build their mind. So A category, growing but not happy. B category, happy but not growing. C category, neither happy nor growing. Let's come to the fourth category, guys. And that's what I would request all of you to drive your personality. That's called S category. Growing with much powerful speed and at the same time maintaining their happiness and peace. ये वो लोग हैं जो रात को पार्टी करते हैं दोस्तों के साथ तो लाफ्टर करते हैं. ये वो लोग हैं जब ऑफिस में काम करते हैं तो दुनिया देखती है कि वाह क्या काम करते हैं. ये उस पैशन के साथ काम करते हैं कि खुद काम को उठ करके खड़ा होकर के ये बोलना पड़ता है कि वाह जिस इंसान ने मेरा काम किया वो क्या लाजवाब है. These are the people who are very powerful, passionate and dedicated people. These are the people who are very innovative people. These are the people who take initiatives. These are not shy people. वो सोचते हैं पर करते हैं. These are the people who have a lot of courage. I think if you all can just build one thing in your life, in your personality, is called courage. What is courage? Courage is the only thing which will actually drive you to do some crazy things, to become innovative, to take initiative, to get into a creative model. And what is courage? स्कूल में एक बार एक टीचर ने पूछा था मुझसे पेपर पे, आप आंसर कॉपी पे लिखो व्हाट इज करेज. पूरा आंसर छोड़ दिया, आखिरी में लिखा दिस इज कॉल्ड करेज. जा जवाब नहीं देता. That's called courage. So I think, jokes apart, build that powerful personality. This is the right time when you have to start building your mindset towards positivity, towards growth. Get into that growth model. Get into that progress model. Then only you get into the so-called the success. A lot of people have given a lot of different stories or different mantras about the success. And I keep telling you in a very mathematical way, growth is not success. Growth plus integrity plus ethical value system is called progress, not success. If you are growing by using people, misusing people, getting the favorism, doing some hanky-panky thing, getting into the shortcut, it's not a growth. You might be growing, but it's not progress. So growth plus ethical system, moral system, plus integrity is progress. Progress itself is not success. When you add two more elements in progress, then it becomes success. And these are the two elements are called progress plus happiness plus peace is equal to success. If you are happy but not progressing, you are not successful. If you are progressing but not happy, you are not successful. If you are growing with, compromising on your moral value system, you are not successful. All these things, trust me, are tough. बहुत मुश्किल है ये चीज़ें करना. पर जब जब आपके जीवन में ये ख्याल आए कि ये बहुत मुश्किल है काम करना, तो अपने आप से एक सवाल पूछ लेना कि आसान काम करने के लिए भाई पैदा भी नहीं हुए हैं. कुछ तो मुश्किल काम जीवन में करके जाएंगे. With this thought, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for seeing such a wonderful audience. Thank you.